Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Yolova. I will have them and this unit links in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, you guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well hit that notification bell, sis, because I post weekly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from Yolova Hair, and I believe I'm saying it right. It came in this box right here. So getting into the box, we have the unit itself, as well as a pair of lashes, a thank you card, and a wig cap. It also came with a pair of tweezers and a bag to put the hair in. So yeah, girl, let's get into this unit. I know for sure it is a 5x5 unit. The rest of the specs, again, we'll have it further into the video. But this is the unit, sis. Very long unit. And it did not come like this, girl. It actually was very silky, very straight, movie, and all of that. It wasn't this thick. It was a lot thinner. But I did pre-bleach the knots as well as pre-plucked it. So this is what we are looking like. But yeah, girl, so again, it's a 5x5 unit. This is the inside of the cap, so you get a lot of space. It has two combs, one on either side. It as well has a comb in the middle, a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So far so good, sis. So let's go ahead and put her on. I'm starting off by tinting my lace. After I tint my lace, I'm going to seal it in using my blow dryer, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. To lay my unit, I'll be using my Got To Be glue free spray, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer to seal it in. Now I'm going in using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using that powder to better tint the lace. After I go around the hairline, I'm then going to use my Got To Be glue free spray again, and then go back in with the blow dryer. And sis, this just creates the perfect melt. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the parting space. I want to show you guys what a side part would look like and how deep the parting space is. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and begin to style it. So I'm going with a middle part, and after I get my middle part situated, I'm going to then go in using my hot comb, and this is just to flatten out the part and get everything straight. And then I'm going to as well style the front. going in with my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and this acts as a wax stick. You guys already know I don't have a wax stick, and I really don't plan on getting one just because the Got To Be Glue Free Spray works for me. But yeah, I just sprayed it, and now I'm going back in with my hot comb, and this is just to flatten everything out. So now for these baby hairs, sis, we're just going to pull out the hair that we want. Then we're going to cut them and then curl them with our little flat iron. And then to lay them down, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and we're just going to swoop them over. Now I'm going in with my Fructic serum, and this is just to make the hair very sleek, and I'm just putting that throughout the hair. And then after I do that, I'm going to go in with my flat iron and start flat ironing the hair. Okay sis, so here is what we are looking like, and honey, we are looking really cute. It's giving Pocahontas. Look how long it is. But yeah girl, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. So that's the back sis. Let me go ahead and stand up. And that is how long it is. So let me go ahead and pull up these details. So again, this is from Yolova, and this is their 5x5 lace front Brazilian straight human hair wig in the length of 26 inches, and the density is 150. So yeah girl, so first and foremost, I feel like this is a big head friendly unit. At first I was a little scared because when I was putting it on, it kept going back and I kept pulling it to the front, and I'm like, oh my goodness, it's not gonna fit on my head. But it turned out to fit fine. It doesn't hurt my head or anything like that, so I will give it a big head friendly pass. The texture, you guys, you can run your fingers straight through this hair. Is very sleek and very smooth. That serum worked to the T. Like y'all, that Fructis serum really does the job. It really has this hair very sleek and smooth. And the unit already had came like that, but again, I had to pre-wash it, so it did change its form, and we got it back with that serum. And yeah girl, you can run your fingers through it. No shedding, no tangling or anything like that. And I kind of feel like with 150% density, it's not a lot of hair on the unit anyway, so it's not a lot of hair to tangle. I feel like when you up the density to 180% or 200, that's when you start to get more tangling because it's more hair to manage, and this unit is on the thinner side. So if you don't like thinner units, I would recommend to get 180 or 200% density, because again, this is on the thinner side. So The lace, you guys, the lace melted very nicely. I think it looks really good. I did add more powder to the hairline, as well as some powder to the part. I feel like with this unit you do need to pluck it. Yeah, you do need to pluck it. I did pluck it or whatever, and I feel like I didn't even pluck enough, and I hate when I do that. Like, I don't want to over pluck it, and then when I put it on, I'm just like, girl, because I can't even tell. So I am gonna go back in and pluck the hairline some more, just so it can look a little bit more natural. But overall, I think it looks really good, you guys. Again, you can run your finger straight through this hair, and it's very long. So yes, sis, I'll have this hair linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.